On a color paper, we need to mark 5 square boxes. The perfect measurement is 15 by 15 centimeters for the outer box. Out of these 5 boxes, 3 boxes are to be attached to each other, while the other 2 boxes are to be made separate. All these 5 squares must have the same measurements, that is 15 by 15 centimeters. I have also made 2 projections from these squares, in order to stick them onto the other 3 squares. These projections measure 1.5 centimeters each. The next step is to cut these out from the paper. Cut both sheets as shown. Now, using a ruler, simply bend all the parts that are needed to be folded. The parts are shown in the video. These foldings are done just to make things easier. Now, using any glue, stick the 2 squares onto the bigger one by applying glue on the extra part we made earlier. Do the same with both squares. The bigger box is now ready. For the second box, take another sheet of paper. This time, the measurements are 12 by 12 centimeters for the sides. As we did earlier, we again need to make 5 squares, 3 attached to each other while 2 separate ones. Now cut all the marked portions. The next steps are same as we did before. Fold the marked portion. Then just stick them onto the other 3 boxes. Now the second box is also ready. On the next paper, again mark 5 boxes. This time with measurements 8 centimeters by 8 centimeters. Cut those boxes and repeat all the steps done before. Now the 3 boxes are ready. There must be a lid for each box we made. So let's start making lids for all of them. For the bigger box, mark a square with side 15 centimeters and extend all sides of 3 centimeters each. Fold the paper as shown. Carefully repeat what I'm doing now to turn it into a lid. Repeat the same process on all 4 corners. Lid number 1 is ready. For the second lid, mark a square of each side measuring 12 centimeters and extend each side of 3 centimeters. Repeat all the processes we did while making the first lid. For the third lid, mark a square with each side measuring 8 centimeters and extend all the sides, this time of 2.5 centimeters. Repeat all the steps we did earlier to make the lid. The third lid is also ready. Now take and open the bigger box and place the smaller boxes on its top. Stick all the 3 boxes together with any glue. Now let's do the best part of it. Take as many chocolates as you want to stick onto the explosion box. On the inner part, I stuck a DIY Among Us 3D sticker, which you will get on my channel. This box is really looking cool. It's opening time.